Good morning. Why am I saying good morning? Good afternoon. This is Carlos Samaniego over at Tax Debt Consultants, and wanted to jump on, give you guys a quick video update and podcast update. Some big news actually hit the newsreels yesterday. Big headlines, and you might have seen it on social media. But I've been talking about it. A lot of people have been talking about it. The IRS is completely backed up. If many of you guys don't know, the IRS has been having challenges with processing tax returns, answering phone calls, which has kind of created I call a nightmare in terms of them trying to just catch up with everything that they have to do. And then we have tax season starting again. But the big news that came out yesterday was the IRS has decided to stop sending some letters. And I'm going to share my screen here with you, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. This is the big news that came out yesterday. The IRS continues to want to help taxpayers, which is great. And they decided to stop mailing additional letters, additional collection letters primarily. And the letters that they've decided to stop mailing were letters of unfiled tax returns, called a CP80. You'll notice these code, the letter number, and typically it's on the top right hand corner of a letter when you do receive it. So some of the letters that they're going to stop sending are the CP80, says that you're missing unfiled tax returns. Some additional letters based off that. The original letter, and there's a couple of the first notice, the second notice. They're going to stop mailing final notice for return delinquency. And they're also going to stop sending, and this is a big one, a lot of the collection letters that get sent out. So what does this mean to you? For you specifically, and I'm going to get back out here, here's what that means. That means you're not going to get those letters, but if you know that you owe money to the IRS, if you know that you have unfiled tax returns, it doesn't mean you can put this off further. It means you got a little bit of extra time to reach out to deal with the problem. Sometimes when they do things like this, I think a lot of people think, well, I can procrastinate more and wait longer. You don't want to do that. Now is just the opportunity to be able to, start working on collecting the documents to file the tax returns. If you're planning on hiring a company that specializes in dealing with tax problem delinquencies, or just hiring somebody to file some tax returns, gives you a chance to start interviewing. I know a lot of my colleagues right now, a lot of them are not taking any additional clients this year. They've just decided, you know what, it's already crazy enough with the clients that they have. Now they don't want to take any more. So if you're looking for a tax person, I'm taking very limited clients in terms of a lot of the things that I'm doing, because I'm busy. I'm averaging 10 to 12 to 15 people a day reaching out to our offices looking for help with tax problems. So this is an opportunity for you to really get some additional time, start working with individuals to get this solved. And if you're getting in here late, this is the big news. The IRS is trying to reduce the stress of all these automated notices that are going out. And most of these are balance due notices and the unfiled tax return notices. As I said earlier, the IRS is literally still several million returns behind in terms of processing. And the IRS commissioner has decided that they want to spend more time getting caught up on a lot of these unfiled tax returns. And this is a list of the notices here that are not, that they will not be sending. So what I'm going to do, one of the things I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the link to this IRS specific notice in the description below, so you can actually, if you want to read the notice that they sent out. And if you haven't picked up my book, taxdebtbook.com, if you're currently dealing with a tax problem, have some unfiled returns, I give away my book, How to Make the IRS an Offer They Can't Refuse. You can get the electronic version online, or you can buy it on Amazon, or if you're local, come on into the office for a free consultation. I give everybody that comes in for a free consultation a copy of my book. With that, have a wonderful week. Enjoy your Super Bowl weekend, and I'll talk to you later.